Page 127. This is number 2 at the top of the page. Let's look this over. It says 2 lines long, treble bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature, so it's either in the key of G major or E minor. We're studying major keys right now, so you can bet it's in G major. But as far as their scales and arpeggios, I encourage you to do both. Just do G major and E minor both. Yeah, because they both have the F sharp. Is that E minor also, the harmonic minor has the D sharp added. That's all. And then 3/8 time signature. Right hand first, here, remember dotted half or dotted quarter notes, same as 3/8 notes. And it's together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So much for the right hand. Left hand, here, 1. I did a G major scale going up there and just took a little detour in the middle of it. Okay. Overall feeling is like a scale. Sometimes you're doing other things in the middle of it. Put the hands together. It's here, and here, and here, and here. Get the idea? So I put the hands together, and then I go back over it slowly and carefully and get rid of the hesitations. Steady beat. Once I can do that, I'll think about the articulation. All I give is phrasing the melodies in the left hand. At the end of the first line, you're here, lift up. You have to lift up. It's a repeated note, so it's okay. They don't give you anything in the right hand. You can try connecting them if you'd like, as best you can. You almost have to disconnect everything. To be consistent, yeah. Then the dynamics, F. Forte is loud. That's the melody, which is the left hand. Let the wrist claps a little bit on this. And the right hand, keep it in the background. And then allegretto for the speed. Well, what I've been doing is moderato. I think that's more 1, 2. That's sort of a moderato, almost. Allegretto will be a little quicker than that. Somewhere in there, it's a feel. What do you feel it? Remember the natural accents. The right hand's playing on them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let the wrist claps a little bit on these. Just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. Feel the natural accents. Now I want you to transpose this to F major. Okay, so you're here in G major, and you're just coming down 1 for F major here. So now you're in this position. So the right hand's here. Instead of here, you came down 1. And you're playing the notes in F major, which means you have a B flat. So it's... See? So I'm just playing the same fingers, except I'm in F major. I mean, I'm playing all B flats here. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3.